In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Linktree on TikTok. By the end, your Linktree page will include a clean branded TikTok button that followers can tap to find you instantly. Start by opening Linktree in your browser and head into your admin dashboard. This is where you manage everything your audience sees on your Linktree page. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose the Links section. This is your central hub for adding, editing, and organizing the buttons that appear on your public page. Next, create a new link. Click the Add button to start a fresh entry. You'll see options for different link types and integrations. Pick the TikTok option. Selecting the dedicated TikTok link type helps ensure the right icon and formatting are used automatically, which makes your page look polished and consistent on both desktop and mobile. Now, fine-tune the link settings. Give the link a clear title, something like "Follow me on TikTok," so people immediately understand where it takes them. Add your TikTok profile URL so the button points to the exact place you want visitors to land. If there's a toggle to display the TikTok icon, turn it on for quick visual recognition. You can also attach a thumbnail or cover image if you want extra emphasis, and if available on your plan, set a schedule to show or hide the link during specific dates, handy for timed campaigns or launches. While you're here, check any analytics or tracking options so you can measure clicks later and see how your audience interacts with the button. With the core details saved, move to Layout to control how the link appears on your link tree. Choose a style that complements your theme and make sure the TikTok link sits high enough in your list so it's easy to find. Drag it toward the top if visibility is a priority. Adjust any accent colors, button styles, or spacing to keep the look clean and readable. A simple layout with strong contrast usually performs best on mobile, which is where most people will view your page. Before you're done, use the preview to check how everything looks on a phone screen and click the TikTok button to confirm it opens correctly. If anything needs refinement, title, order, or styling, make quick adjustments and preview again. That's it. Your Linktree now proudly features your TikTok link, ready for your audience to tap and follow.